So if I press and hold my action button, you see my Facebook is opening. So to customize your action button, you have to go your setting and you're able to see the action button, and here you can optimize make silent, it's the default, and focus you're able to set any focus, camera, flashlight, or if you want to enable any apps, then you have to go your shortcut option, press on shortcut, then you can see this bar, then press on open apps, this option, then you able to find all of your apps that are installed on your iPhone. Suppose I am selecting file, select file, and now it's set. Let's and it's open. And if you want to customize it again, now just set as translate, and it will be set as translate. Open apps. Now you're able to translate it. So this is how you can easily customize your shortcut button on your iPhone and set anything here. So thank you. Have a good day.